Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Straight Lines exercise 10.3 question number 16. Let's see the question. If P and Q are the lengths of perpendicular from origin to the lines x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to k cos 2 theta and x secant theta plus y cosecant theta equal to k respectively, prove that p square plus 4q square equal to k. Let me take a point origin 0, 0. Now a line is perpendicular. Let me draw another line over here. Even this is perpendicular to the origin. This equation of this line is x cos theta minus y sin theta minus k cos 2 theta equal to 0. Same way for this, it is x secant theta plus y cosecant theta minus k equal to 0 is another line. So both are perpendicular from 0, 0. Now perpendicular distance, we can find the perpendicular distance. They have given length of the perpendicular. This one is P, this one is Q respectively. So the first equation I have written it here. So this is P and this is Q. Now we know the formula for the length of the perpendicular. Length of perpendicular D is equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Taking the first one and the second one. The first one, it passes through 0, 0. So point 0, 0 is x1, y1. And the equation, we already know the equation. Let me substitute for D. D is equal to 0 into, this will become 0. So 0 into B. B is sin theta also will become 0. So I am writing just 0 plus 0 minus k cos 2 theta by root of, here A is cos square theta, B is sin square theta. Instead of D we can substitute P. P is the length of the thing. So here P is equal to, minus will become plus, taking mod outside it becomes k cos 2 theta by 1. So leave the 1. Now we got the P value to be k cos 2 theta. The same way let me try for this. Point is 0, 0. So substituting two values of x1 and y1, it becomes 0. So now C, instead of C we have k here. So Q is equal to mod minus k by root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Instead of secant square we can write this to be 1 by secant square theta can be written as cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta in root. Now this becomes 1 by k by, here taking LCM it becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta on the numerator by sin square theta cos square theta. This becomes 1. So here it becomes, taking root it becomes 1 by sin theta cos theta. Taking sin theta cos theta to the numerator, it becomes, it goes as a reciprocal. So Q is equal to k sin theta cos theta. Instead of sin theta cos theta we can write Q to be equal to k into 1 by 2 sin 2 theta, because it is the formula of sin 2 theta. So I can write this to be k sin 2 theta. So Q is equal to k by 2 sin 2 theta. Now we have found the value of Q. We have found the value of P. To prove LHS, I am taking the LHS of to prove, that is P square plus 4Q square we need to prove this is equal to k square. Here p square is, value of p is k cos square, k square cos square 2 theta plus 4 into, this one is q is k by 2 sin 2 theta the whole square. Here it becomes k square cos square 2 theta plus here 4 into k square by 4 into sin square 2 theta. Now 4 get cancelled. Taking k square common outside, it becomes cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. This becomes 1 and this is equal to k square equal to our RHS. This is what we need to prove. So we have proved this is equal to our RHS. So we have proved it. Hence proved. That's all with the sum. Thank you.